Hello everyone, and I'm here to present my project, as part of which we built a web-based application which has many specific features like department-specific book collections, and then real-time checking access for book availability and curated resources for each department and availability of all the books. As part of this, we built a library website. So this is the database schema which we used for building the website. It consists of categories, books, and then users, and then borrowed books. Categories and books are available to all the users, whereas this admin only can access users and borrowed books and reminders. So we used as part of the front end, we used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript with React.js, and then for our backend, we connected with the serverless functions and Node.js and PHP, and we used completely MySQL for building the database. And as part of admin authentication, we used Auth0 Firebase. The website mainly consists of admin page, which has managers, which can manage reminders and users, all the available users of the website, and then the four department pages which displays tables with books for each department. User can query specific books from any type of table which is directly connected to the database. And we added some features like CRUD operations for admin, so that he can add, update, and delete the specific books or users or reminders. As part of the database, we created specific user as a library admin. Only he can access the database and then all perform all these CRUD operations inside the database. As part of the books, we have 20 a collection of 100 books, and then a collection of almost 50 users with different category IDs and all. We built all this on the basis of the relational schema, and then these are the example reminder usage to showcase on the website.
Welcome to our library management system website. We have created 4 different pages for 4 different departments. Here, if we click on the explore button, we enter into the computer science and engineering page. This displays all the computer science and engineering related books available in the library. This table is directly connected to our database. This table can be viewed by anyone. In this search box, we can query any name of book. For example, we'll try querying database system concepts book. As you can see, the query is successful. We can also query by the publication year. For example, we'll try querying all the books published in the year 2020. As you can see, we have queried all the books published in the year 2020. We can also query it using by author name. We'll try querying the books written by Stuart Russell. Then if we click on our college icon, we'll enter into the landing page again. Here, this is the admin login. We'll try logging in as an admin. We have entered the wrong password, so it doesn't allow us to log in. Now I'll enter the correct password. This is to show that we have encrypted the page. Now we have entered the admin page. The admin can view the reminders and the users table, which is directly connected to the database. Now we'll try adding and deleting some users. First we'll try deleting this user. this user with roll number CS21B 10000. As you can see, our user is deleted. Now we'll try adding the users. Now we have refreshed the page. You can see the user is again added. Now again we'll go to our landing page. If we click on this contacts button, we'll enter the contact page. Here, if the user is having any issue, they can send a mail. They have to enter their name, email, the subject, and what message they want to relay to the library admin. And here is the frequently asked questions about this website. We'll again go to the landing page. Now I'll show you the design of our website. If we click on about, it will enter into another page which will describe about our college mission, vision, and about our library.
On the other hand, the backend involves server-side operations, databases, and application logic that process user requests and manages data. As for example, as shown before, if a user searches for database system concepts, so this search query box is directly connected to the database, and then it has a specific query. So when the user types specific letter, it queries everything and displays only the the word that is typed in the box. So here the front end is used for displaying the table, and then the back end works on querying the word that user gives.